To hide photos, videos, or other files in OnePlus 15, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to move down, and then we can enter security and privacy. Scroll down again, look for the private safe. It's right here. Now, if you click on it for the first time, it will ask you to create your privacy password. It's a different password than the lock screen, so make sure to create your privacy password. Type in the PIN that you want to use and make sure to remember it, as you can use it throughout different functions like hiding apps or locking apps and etc. So now when we have our password entered, we'll be able to see our private safe. Go for any file type like images, audio, documents, other files, videos, whatever you want. In this case, we're gonna go for the images, and to complete that process, let's make a photo. So we're gonna go private safe again, enter the password, go to images and videos, and then click on add. That way we'll be able to select the specific photos that we want to see in private safe. I will put both of them and then set it as private. After a moment, they will be moved from our gallery into the private safe. So each time you want to see those photos or videos or whichever files, you'll need to enter the private safe and then check them right here. But now if I go back and access the photos, as you can see, there's no photos on my phone. They are in my private safe. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.